Every crystal of sugar begins its journey, rooted in fertile soil. Skilled hands prepare for the harvest at first light. Precision cuts ensure clean, undamaged cane. Mechanization accelerates harvest without losing quality. Fresh cane moves swiftly to preserve its natural sugars. Timing is critical once the cane is cut. Only the best harvest continues forward. The journey to refinement is about to begin. Fresh harvest heads straight to the heart of production. Speed matters when sugar is still alive inside the cane. Harvest and industry move as one system. Freshness is preserved through controlled transport. The factory awaits its raw material. Every load is measured with precision.
Traceability begins before processing starts.
Raw harvest crosses into industrial control.
Flow is carefully managed inside the facility.
Processing begins the moment the cane arrives. This is where agriculture meets engineered precision. Every movement here follows a planned rhythm. Heavy-duty systems handle nature's toughest harvests. This marks the official entry into processing. This marks the official entry into processing. From here, speed and control define success.
Human oversight keeps the system balanced.
Scale and structure shape the sugar's future. Uniform flow ensures consistent results. The first transformation begins now. Before extraction, purity must be restored. Every stalk now carries only what matters. Unwanted weight is removed with mechanical precision. Unwanted weight is removed with mechanical precision. Even the smallest threat is eliminated early. Consistency begins before processing begins.
Human eyes still play a critical role. A final wash prepares the cane for extraction.
Moisture is controlled, not wasted. Now, the real transformation is ready to begin. Pressure releases the sugar locked inside every fiber. Now, the real transformation is ready to begin. Pressure releases the sugar locked inside every fiber. Liquid sweetness begins its controlled journey. Nothing valuable is left behind. byproducts find purpose beyond sugar. Clarity starts with careful separation. Balance and volume are tightly managed. Chemistry prepares the juice for purification. Heat activates the next stage of refinement. Impurities are about to be separated from value. Gravity and time work together to cleanse the liquid. What does not belong is carefully removed. Only clarity moves forward. Water will soon give way to concentration. Controlled boiling increases sweetness. Liquid sugar transforms into rich syrup. Crystallization demands absolute control. Crystals are born from precision. Crystals are born from precision. Time and control shape every grain. Automation turns complexity into control. Every variable is measured, every second. Machines now separate crystal from syrup. Speed replaces gravity in this decisive step.
Routing is decided in milliseconds.
Moisture is removed with controlled force. Feedback keeps perfection consistent. Safety is engineered, not assumed. Automation hands control to precision. Uniformity defines quality. Nothing leaves without meeting standards. Precision is now visible. Refinement goes beyond purity. Stability is engineered at the smallest scale. Temperature control locks in structure.
Human judgment confirms machine accuracy.
Every gram is accounted for.
Proof precedes release. Every batch meets scientific scrutiny.
Consistency begins with accurate measurement.
Moisture levels define shelf stability.
Uniformity is measured scientifically. Visual perfection confirms chemical purity.
Even minute traces are scrutinized.
Data drives decisions before the product advances.
Only verified sugar moves forward.
Quality assurance completes the cycle of precision. Packaging locks in purity and consistency.
Human care ensures stability during handling.
Protection meets efficiency.
Every pallet has a designated home.
The final journey begins.
Safety and stability go hand in hand. Distribution carries perfection to the world. Distribution carries perfection to the world.
And this is how modern factories produce cane sugar from start to finish.